قد أفلح المؤمنون الذين هم في صلاتهم خاشعون. Successful indeed are the believers, those who humble themselves in their prayer. Have you ever stood for Salah and felt nothing? Your lips move, your body bends, your forehead meets the earth, but your heart still, silent, absent. And in the stillness after Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, you realize you just passed through Salah, but Salah never passed through you. If you are learning something, please don't forget to like and share to your brother or sister with the same problem. Allah is coming, inshallah. So sometimes you wonder, is there something wrong with me? Have I become a hypocrite? Why can I feel everything in music, movies, even tears in a poem, but not in front of Allah? But you're not alone. Even great companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, trembled at this fear. Once Hudhaifa ibn al-Yaman said, "What if I pray but Allah does not accept it? What if it's just a shell?" Even they feared an empty prayer, because a heartless Salah is like a rose without scent, beautiful, but lifeless. And yet, Allah still calls you, not because you're perfect in your worship, but because you still return. You're still here, still searching, still kneeling, and that is beloved to Him. So what steals khushu from you? Is it the speed, the scroll before the Salah, the argument before wudu, the weight of sins choking your soul? Or maybe you forgot who you're standing before, not just God, but Ar-Rahman, who chose you to speak to Him, even when you haven't spoken to yourself in weeks. When one of you stands in prayer, he is speaking privately with his Lord. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Sahih Bukhari. Think of that. You, a sinner, a struggler, standing in the audience of the King of Kings, and He listens every time. Salah is not just a ritual, it's your lifeline. It's where Bilal ibn Rabah found freedom while being whipped, where Amir ibn Fuhaira smiled while being killed, where Rasulullah would run after heartbreak, saying, "O Bilal, bring us peace through the prayer," not in it, through it. So if your prayer feels empty now, don't run from it, run through it. Cry while standing, beg in sujud. Even if it feels dry, don't stop, because sometimes the most sincere Salah is the one that hurts the most, the one where you're fighting to stay connected, even when your heart is numb. So tonight, when you pray, don't chase the feeling, chase the presence, speak to Him, even if your voice trembles, even if your mind wanders, speak again, because the one you're speaking to has never turned away. Wa aqimis salata li dhikr. And establish prayer to remember me. Surah Taha 2014.